Yo, what's up everyone? If you're serious about flex muscles, Sculpt Like the Pro. 47 characters, you need to hear this. Stop doing this if you want six-pack abs goals. Eliminase. This sunwa inanwal. And get this. Consistently perform core-focused exergy movements, like planks and crunches with controlled speed, engaging your entire abdominal musculature. 9. Here's the thing. Ensure proper hand placement to avoid straining neck during sit-ups. Palms down on the floor can help align spine properly. And 9. Real talk. Balance dietary protein intake for recovery. Aiming between 1.62 grams per kilogram of body weight optimizes muscle synthesis and definition. And get this, cutting carbs strategically during phases called carb cycling to sharpen abdominal separation while still fueling workouts effect. And now pay attention, include compound movements like deadlifts that require core engagement, promoting overall strength, which indirectly benefits abs, visibility through improved body composition. A lot of people don't know this, but limit trans fats and added sugars in diet as they contribute more visceral fat gain around organs. Not where you want a six-pack to shine. Listen to this. Incorporate high-intensity interval training into your routine. The metabolic stress from HIIT can reduce overall body fat and enhance abdominal muscle tone, accentuating that sought-after abs definition when paired with a lean diet. And here's a game changer. Monitor form during every exercise to prevent injury. Imbalances, or incorrect movements, often lead to ineffective workouts and hinder progress towards those coveted six-pack goals. And one more thing you gotta remember, stay hydrated but mindful of fluid intake, as excess water weight can obscure muscle definition. Ensure proper balance with electrolyte replenishment during intense training periods or hotter climates for peak performance in sculpting your abs. That's the real game plan for flex muscles. Sculpt like the pro. 47 characters. Now get after it.